Hey there, darling. This is Faith Hunter, author and global wellness expert. We are going to journey into the radiant realm of the full moon in Libra, which is happening on April 12th, 2025 at 7:22 p.m. Central Time. Now, in this reading, I want to share, of course, some astrological insights. I'm going to highlight some energetic opportunities for release and renewal. And then you know what I'm going to do. Guide you through a soulful meditation to help you align heart-opening essence and the balancing act of Libra. So go on and settle in. Grab a cup of tea or a glass of wine. I want you to get comfy for this. And let's dive into the magic of this lunar moment. This full moon in Libra is glowing with the synergy of balance, harmony, and love, which are kind of Libra's trademark vibes. You see, in this moment, it's directly opposite the sun in Aries. There's a little cosmic tension that calls us to find equilibrium between self-assurance and also our relationship needs. I want you to pause. Do you have any relationship needs right now? I think I might have a few, but we digress. All right. Whether you're focused on your personal growth, creative endeavors, or nurturing emotional connections, this lunation is like a mirror, a cosmic mirror. It is reflecting ways we might bring a little more balance in our inner world and our outer interactions with others. We also have this cool influence of Mercury in Aries, which is amplifying direct communication. So you might feel an urge to speak your truth boldly, yet the Libra full moon nudges us to be just a little diplomatic with compassion for others. So when you're thinking about having those conversations, I want you to pause, breathe, and have compassion and a little grace. Don't just show up with all the fire. All right. Meanwhile, Jupiter is making a harmonious aspect, fueling that optimism and also kind of pushing us to go beyond, or I should say, expand beyond our old limiting beliefs. One more thing to add to all this mix. With Saturn settling in Pisces, there's a deep invitation to ground our dreams in reality. And I always suggest when you feel like you're in that dream world, it's important to dream big and massive, but it's also important to breathe into the reality of where you are in this moment and then harness the skills that you need to support that dream. Let's go back to Saturn. Saturn in Pisces can enhance spiritual discipline, i.e., drop into that meditation. And ultimately, Saturn is supporting a more structured approach to our intuitive and emotional lives. And with all of that being said, these transits weave a supportive tapestry, urging us to release what's weighing us down, while also giving us the courage, the discipline, the stability to confidently step into the next level of growth. Let's talk about what you need to release. As you know, full moons are all about letting go. It's the end. Allowing yourself to surrender. Now, this one is reflecting light into the darkest corners of our subconscious. So we can see what no longer serves us. And I should say, definitely with that sense of balance, we know, you know, right in your heart. With this Libra energy kind of hovering over and adds a little thematic element of relationships, both personal and professional. Know that that intimacy and connection around relationship, regardless of what it is going to come forward. It's going to be at the forefront. So I want you to ask yourself, what are you compromising too much in your relationships? Are you neglecting your needs in order to keep the peace? Or maybe you have built walls to protect yourself from vulnerability. It's okay. I've been there with you. And sometimes I'll fall back into those old patterns just like you. This full moon is our invitation to shed the people pleasing. I'm going to say that again. It is time to shed the people pleasing. Release attachments to outdated relationship dynamics and connections. I'm thinking about going through my phone right now and deleting some photos. Yeah, just let it go. And here's another one. I want you to let go of any fears or resentments preventing you from opening your heart more fully. Libra craves harmony. I don't know if you guys know, Libra is my rising sign, so I'm really feeling this right now. Here's the deal. I want us to all align with harmony first. Allow harmony, inner harmony, to clear your path as you release emotional debris. Before we begin our guided meditation, I want you to find a quiet, cozy spot. If possible, with this one, I want you to dim the lights or maybe even light a candle. I really want you to create a sacred space for yourself that feels relaxing and nurturing. Remember, this Libra energy is all about harmony. So go on and gather any items that resonate with you. Soft blanket, eye pillow, crystals, your favorite essential oils. And whenever you're ready, know that you can remain seated or recline on your back. Rest your palms and your arms wherever it feels most comfortable for you. And tap into your breath. Allow the inhale and the exhale to flow naturally in and out of your nose. And if you're having a hard time grounding in this moment, know that you can breathe in through your nose and exhale softly through your lips. With each breath, I invite you to soften the shoulders, soften the entire body. Allow the earth to hold you. And let the glow of this full moon start to wash over you. As the breath continues to flow in and out, I want you to visualize the moon's glowing light pouring over your body. And it is gently expanding your heart. As you exhale, I want you to feel the stress and tension melting away, dissolving into Mother Earth. Feel yourself firmly anchored, safe and cradled by my voice and by the earth. Bring to mind the symbol of scales, Libra's element of balance. Visualize two golden scales gently swaying back and forth until they come into perfect alignment. Now picture yourself placing on one side anything that feels heavy, your fears, your pain, your shame, your resentments. Then on the other side, place self-love, compassion, and fresh possibilities. Notice how the scales actually achieve equilibrium. They are embodying a harmonious dance of giving and receiving, solitude and togetherness. Now I want you to breathe into the center of your chest. This is your sacred center, your inner sanctuary, your inner peace, your inner balance. As the breath flows in and out of your nose, let anything blocking your emotional freedom to be released. Release heartbreak, self-doubt, limiting beliefs. None of it matters. Feel those old energies releasing from your body, your mind, and your soul. Feel that energy, that balance, that connection to your innermost sanctum transform into a gentle spark of light. As this luminous full moon shines upon you, pours upon you, and radiates from your heart, allow yourself to receive and absorb these affirmations. I am balanced in my thoughts, words, and actions. I release all that no longer serves my highest good. I welcome harmonious relationships and authentic connections. I trust my inner wisdom to guide me towards peace. Continue to feel the power of these affirmations move through you, infused by the glow and light of the moon. And may it all rest softly in your heart. Now take a deep breath in, filling your heart space with gratitude. And as you exhale, sealing the energy of our time together. I encourage you to place both hands over the center of your chest and feel that sweetness, feel that harmonious energy of comfort, peace, and calm. Feel the spaciousness of growth and the beauty of alignment with your highest potential. And when you're ready, bring gentle movement into your body. And as you do so, I want you to take a few more nourishing breaths, feeling the glow of the moon and the softness in your mind. And know that you've just bathed in the essence of balance, clarity, and you've recentered your spirit. Thank you so much for sharing this sacred time with me under this full moon in Libra. And know that if this session lit a spark in your soul, don't forget to share, like, comment, and of course, subscribe for more soulful guidance, meditation, movement, and astrological insights. If you're ready to deepen your soul's journey, considering joining my membership and downloading the Spiritually Fly app. Inside of there, you'll find workshops, daily practices, and tools that will continually support your growth, whether you're stepping into some new beginnings or you need a little breath work to support you on your path. This app is my sacred space and yours to return to again and again. So as a little reminder, allow yourself to tap back into this energy anytime you need to. You can always come back, do the meditation whenever you need to recenter and rebalance. Until next time, this is Faith, and I want you to stay spiritually fly. Ciao.